Welcome back to Adventures with Rosie. Hope you're having a great afternoon. We are just about to depart for our next adventure, which is down to Martinborough, a small town about 4.5 hours south, pretty much 4.5 hours south of us, about 380 kilometers away. We are heading there for one reason, and that is the Martinborough Fair, and that happens twice a year. It's a huge fair. For those of you that don't know, my wife Chelsea, she hand sews children's clothes for kids up to 5 years old. And normally we take them down to our local market. We've got a little trailer, we take all our boxes of supplies down to the market, set up a little gazebo. Twice a year we head down to the Martinborough Fair. It's a huge fair. There's something like 15,000 people a day go through the fair, and it happens only twice a year. So last year we cruised down. I took Rosie and the dogs down. Chelsea took the car towing the trailer because Rosie doesn't have a tow ball, and she took Harvey down. So this year we thought we might try something different, and that is see if we can get all of Chelsea's gear into the back of Rosie on one side, so we've still got a bit of side to sit and have dinner and that sort of thing. We figure it'd be a bit nicer travelling together. Like I said, it's probably take us the best part of 4.5, 5 hours to get down there. Last year we just did in convoy, but it's a bit easier if we can share the driving. We'll obviously save a lot of money on gas. Whether or not we can fit all the gear in is the next question, so I'm going to give it a crack now.
I see you somewhere around.
Right, well that seemed to all fit. Took all the cushions out the side, put all the containers in. I'll swivel the table around and lock it in place when we drive, so that things don't fall out. We've still got space on this side to eat. My one concern was the weight, adding all the weight on this side, but then I realised our freshwater tanks, which is 90 or 100 litres, are actually on this side. So our grey water will be empty, our fresh water will be full. So there's about 100 kgs of weight on this passenger side of the vehicle. So hopefully that'll counterbalance that. Maybe on the way home when we've got less fresh water and more grey water, I'll switch the stuff over. But we'll see how we go. Alright, we're off early tomorrow morning, so we'll catch up with you at some point on the road. Good morning. We got up rather early this morning, about 5 AM, and kicked off our pilgrimage down to Martinborough Fair. We're about halfway at the moment. We're in Palmerston North. Gonna get some coffee, let Harvey stretch his legs on the playground, and then continue on our way. Alright, second pit stop of the day and our second playground of the day. Hey! Well, we've made it to Martinborough. A bit of a rather long drive. I think it took about 5 hours driving. But we are about 100 metres away from where our market stand is tomorrow, which is awesome. We can just get up in our own leisure in the morning, bright and early, take all the stuff down there on the hand trolley. There is a lovely little pizza place here in Manawatu that does this amazing lemon chicken pizza. Well, hopefully, it's been a year since we've had it. So, should we go and check that out, do you think? Maybe have some pizza for dinner? Yeah, alright, let's do it. But we're going to end the vlog there. In tomorrow's, or next week's episode, we will show you the market itself and what we get up to on the way back home. Thanks for watching.